Guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a country ball squishy. So first, what you need is some paper. So go ahead and get you got your paper. Go ahead and grab all the things you need and try your best. So to make it even good, get some markers if you have. And then, first, we draw a good shaped ball. So this is how you do a perfect shape. And then, you might want to curve there. And then, I know that it looks like I'm not screaming, but that's the least we can do. And now, what you want to do? I want to do let's go with Sweden. We can make Sweden. So now go ahead and draw your country ball. Guys, once you got your perfect country ball right here, it's not even a country ball. Guys, with the rest of your paper, you guys want to make like a little, like something like this. Don't worry guys, I'll show you that later. But first you have to make some eyes. You can do whatever country ball you want, but you need the eyes for it. But just draw the eyes on the paper. And guys, look what happens when you flip it. Don't worry guys, we'll sort that later on. But let's keep doing this. And then you do, and in the other side, if it's a little bit complicated to you, then you just draw all the rest of the color you want. Hey guys, when you got them all, when you draw it all in, then guys, here is how it makes sense. Now go ahead and grab scissors and cut them off, and the eyes too, and place them. And do not just keep the black. Use the white to make it gooder. Or if you want like that, you will not see the eyes anyway. But anyway, here we go. And that will be harder. So go ahead and grab the scissors and let's do this again. So hey guys, once you got all your things cut, now you have the eyes. Make sure to be cutting that. So you have the eyes here. In the sides, you want to stick your the country ball's eyes. So I just want to do here and here. So those are where I want to stick my country ball's eyes, as you see. So once you got that finished, then go ahead and grab maybe some of the guys. You need like this much of this invincible paper. So yeah, so once you got that, well, place some here. But before you do, go ahead and grab maybe the leftovers of paper and do little crumbles or something like that. But I'm going to use some cloth. guys, the moment of truth, you need some tape and this one I used earlier. So guys, you have got your squishy. I see you guys in the next video. If you want to make these more, then copy this video. Bye bye.